Hey guys, this is Well. In this video I will show you how we can open a garage door and other wirelessly opened doors like the one we were demonstrating on here. Okay, let's begin. Over here you can see my recording laptop. On the tablet in the background I am starting strradio.net to have a visual view of our radio signal. And right over there, the car of our victim is already approaching. As our victim opens the garage door, we can see a peak on the waterfall diagram. As soon as the peak is over, I am stopping the signal recording. Some moments later, I enter the command to replay the signal we captured before. So let's have a try. And as you can see, it's finally working like a charm.